The water came so fast. We didn't think it was gonna be 6 foot of water, you know.
Ya la agua iba subiendo a una vista que tiene la camioneta y nomás alcanzamos a llegar a la esquina a una tienda. Fue todo lo que alcanzamos a hacer.
It was just pure chaos after Hurricane Harvey. At SBP, we really strive to give our homeowners a prompt and predictable recovery.
Como con una esperanza de que por fin me iba a poder dar a mis hijos otra vez su hogar. Sorry.
SBP is built on a foundation of the Toyota production system.
Instead of just writing a check, you know, towards recovery in general or even immediate response, let's think long-term and establish SBP there. And Toyota leadership said that's a no-brainer, let's do it.
In sharing our knowledge of TPS and volunteers and client services, we're able to work with other organizations as a multiplier effect to move more families home.
And that knowledge has been pivotal for SBP, and now we are sharing it with as many organizations in the community as we can.
Their advice and their training have been priceless. SBP is our partner in making sure that they go from local Houstonians that love people and want to help people to people who actually know what they're doing in the recovery world.
We had no rebuild experience. It had always been a hope of ours to get into rebuild. In partnering with SBP, they taught us almost everything from the ground up. We trained with them on the TPS system. We've taken that system and it's helped us become more efficient.
As long as they're willing to share what they know how to do well, we'll get people home faster.
We cannot move them home without the help of volunteers. We are looking for volunteers every day of the week.
SBP es como unos ángeles que llegaron a ayudar a mi familia.